Your kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's where life happens, and every detail should feel like home. Introducing A&O Optimum Builders, Countertops, where craftsmanship meets elegance. Whether you're drawn to timeless marble, durable quartz, or the natural beauty of granite, we have the perfect surface to match your style. From design to installation, our team ensures a seamless experience, backed by quality you can trust. It's not just a countertop, it's where memories are made and stories begin. Transform your space, enhance your home's value, fall in love with your kitchen again. Start your journey with A&O Optimum Builders today. Visit anobuilds.com or call us for a free consultation.